Page 262 and page 263 are solving two-step equations, and we're isolating a variable. So this is pretty easy. We've done this before. The numbers are just getting a little more complicated, but the process is exactly the same. The thing to remember here is a variable over itself equals 1. For example, or number 3 over 3 equals 1, or 9 over 9 equals 1. And this is really critical for the rest of algebra for you to remember this. So let's start right in the middle with a simple example. 3x minus 9 equals 27. So if we've got a minus 9, we can add a 9 to both sides, keeping the equation balanced, eliminating the 9. So we're down to 3x equals 36, because it was 27 plus 9, so 36. 3x equals 36, x equals 12. Again, balancing equations and combining like terms. Page 264 and page 265 is the same continuation of solving simple equations. And in this case, we've got a minus 14 instead of a minus 9. So we can add 14 to both sides of the equation, keeping it balanced, right? Giving us 11x equals 121. And x then, if you divide 11 on both sides, x equals 11. Okay, on page 265, we're going to do some problems on our own here. Again, we've got example 3x plus 7 equals 16. We take away 7 from both sides, leaving us with 3x equals 9. Divide 3 on both sides, x equals 3. So multi-step. Just stay organized and you'll be just fine. Page 266, multi-step problems solving for x. Looks like we've gone backwards a little bit in this first few pages, but they're building on itself and it will all pay off for algebra. So the first problem, 4x divided by 12 equals 3. Since it's a division, we multiply 12 to isolate 4x, and then the second step is to divide 4 out, isolating x all by itself. The third problem down, 2x divided by 14 minus 28 equals 12. We can add 28 to both sides, isolating 2x divided by 14, then multiplying by 14 on both sides, giving us 2x equals 560 as it works out. And then x ends up being 280. So go ahead and figure out these problems, stay neat and tidy, and we'll see you on the next page, which is in advanced fractions. And this should be good.